Hello friends, today I am going to teach you narration, which is also known as direct indirect. When the word direct indirect comes in our mind, there are different types of changes also come in our mind. First of them, the change which come in our mind is the change of pronoun. Actually, there are three types of pronoun: first person pronoun, second person pronoun, and third person pronoun. As far as the first person pronouns are concerned, I and we and their forms are in first person. In second person, we take you, while he, she, it, they and their objective, possessive and reflexive forms are considered in third person pronoun. Then guys, now come on the point. First person pronoun of reported speech always change according to the subject of reporting verb. Reporting verb, the sentence which is without comma, and the reported speech, the sentence which always comes in comma. As far as second person pronoun of reported speech is concerned, it will be changed according to the object of the reporting verb. But sometimes we see that there is no object with reporting verb. In that case, according to situation, we will change the second person pronoun of reported speech as far the imaginative object. As far as the third person of the pronouns are concerned, there is no change in third person pronoun. Now, the second rule, that is the change of the tenses. As far as the change of tenses are concerned, it should be always in our mind that if the tense of reporting verb is either present or future, there will be no change in tense of reported speech. But if the tense of reporting verb is past, then we change the tense of reported speech. Just as present indefinite is always changed into past indefinite, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect in past perfect, present perfect continuous in past perfect continuous, past indefinite in past perfect, past continuous in past perfect continuous. As far as the past perfect and past perfect continuous are concerned, there is no change in these tenses. As far as the change in tense of future is concerned, we change shall into should and will into would. In the same way, may into might, can into could. Now we will watch how to change the direct into indirect. As you know, there are 5 types of sentences. First one, assertive sentence. Second one, interrogative sentence. There are 2 parts of interrogative. One of them which begins with helping verb, and the other is which begins with WH question word. The third type of sentence is imperative sentence. Fourth one is optative sentence, and fifth one is exclamatory sentence. First of all, we will read about the change of assertive sentence, which I have also written here as statement. It means if reported speech is in form of assertive sentence or statements, then how will we change in reporting verb? If there is no object with the reporting verb, then it is repeated as it is, just as say into say, says into says, and said into said at the time of the change from direct to indirect. But if reporting verb has an object, then we change says to into tells, say to into tell, and said to into told. Yes, here is the first example. First of all, I would also like to tell you that in case if the reported speech is in assertive sentence, I mean in form of statement, we will use the connective that. अर्थात कनेक्टिव के रूप में that का प्रयोग किया जाता है. First of all, look at the first sentence. He says to me. It is the part of reporting verb. Your father teaches me English. This one is the part of reported speech. First of all, we will change in reporting verb. Here reporting verb is says. He tells me. Then we have used the connective that. We have used the connective that. Now it's turn of the pronoun. Your is second person pronoun, and we know that second person pronoun is changed according to the object of reporting verb. Here object of reporting verb is me. We will change me in the form in which your is present. Your is in possessive form, so we will change me into possessive form, and the possessive form of me is my. अर्थात me का possessive form होता है my. Then my father. Now it's the turn of the tense. Look at the verb of reporting verb. The verb tense of reporting verb is in present, and we know that if this one is in present or future, there will be no change in tense of reported speech. So here we have repeated the word teaches. Now once again, me objective form and first person pronoun. First person pronoun is changed according to the subject of reporting verb. Here subject of reporting verb is he. देखिए me ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म में है. ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म में होने के कारण से ही का ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म जो होगा वो होगा him. And then English. I think you have easily understood this sentence. Now look at the second sentence. He said to her, my brother met your father yesterday. Change just as the previous sentence. Said to into told. He told her that my. देखिए फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन है, पजेसिव फॉर्म है, फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन. चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब, दैट इज ही, and this one is in possessive form, so possessive of he is his. Then his brother. Now it is the time to change the tense. Actually in reporting verb the tense is past, so we will change the tense of reported speech. Here tense of reported speech is past simple, and past simple is changed into past perfect. In past perfect we use had plus past participle form, so we have used here had met. Now your is second person pronoun. हम इसको चेंज करेंगे रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब के ऑब्जेक्ट हर के अकॉर्डिंग. इसको देखिए पजेसिव फॉर्म में है, तो हर का अगर आप पजेसिव फॉर्म बनाएंगे तो हर का पजेसिव हर ही होगा, ऑब्जेक्टिव भी हर होगा. वी हैव रिटन हियर हर father. Now it's turn of yesterday. Yesterday is a time adverbial which is always changed into the previous day. Actually I haven't told you how will you change the time adverbial, but just as yesterday in the previous day, tomorrow in the next day, or the following day, here into there, hither into thither, this into that, these into that. I will also tell you some more changes on next sentences and not next topics.